In today's episode, squid will turn into a beautiful sushi like this. Hello everyone, this is Yuri
and Akira.
Today, Akira-san will show you how to transform this Ika, squid, into a beautiful sushi. Let's start off by getting rid of cuttle bone that's hiding in the body right here. But before that, let's rinse the squid as it has ink all over it. Hold the squid and make it stand on the chopping board like this. Then pull the skin downwards. This is the cuttle bone. It pops out easily like this. Now, let's pull apart the body and leg. Tear off this part right here. Then rip the body open like this. Hold the body firmly and pull the leg off. Need to put a bit of effort here. We will focus on the body now and come back to the leg later. All nice and clean. This is the inner side and this is the outer side of the squid. We'll peel off the big skin that's still on the outside. First, slide your thumb in between the meat and the skin, like this. Then rip the part that is still attached and pull off the skin at once. I think we are getting really close to what you see at sushi restaurant. Now, trim each side of squid fillet. It's a little bit stiff around here, that's why we cut it, kind of like a cuttlage. By trimming it, it also makes the shape into a balanced, beautiful one. This technique is called keshodachi. Now for the top tip by Akira-san. As for the bottom side, put a knife into the surface of the squid fillet like this. Don't cut it through, just a slit. About this much is what we're aiming for. We'll now need to peel off usukawa, a thin film-like skin. Fold from where you made the slit. Then you should be able to peel usukawa off very smoothly. Flip it around, make a slit, and do the other side as well. But it doesn't go perfectly every single time, so when it rips halfway through, use paper towel to rub it off. As the final touch to our preparation, slice off the bumps as it is tough to eat. If you won't be using squid right away, wrap it with paper towel and put it in a plastic bag. Store it in the fridge up to around 3 days, or you can also freeze it. Will be good to eat for 2 weeks. Now it's sushi time! Yay! First, trim squid into 4-finger wide sides. Sushi restaurants often use hand to measure things. It's called tezaku. Then slice it into 2.5 centimeter. Use edge of the knife and make small cuts. Wet your hand with vinegar and take the squid with your left hand while you grab shari. And put a hint of wasabi onto the forefinger. Then gently place the bowl of shari onto the squid. Then with your left thumb, gently spread the shari and use your right hand to shape it from the side. Then slide the right forefinger and middle finger to gently press from the top, while pressing shari from the side with your left thumb. Now turn the sushi around 180 and do the same thing. Open your left hand and roll over the sushi so that the rice is at the bottom. Bring it back to the tip of your hand. Gently hold the side with your right thumb and forefinger. Place the right forefinger and middle finger on top of a sushi, press gently, and in the same motion, grab the sushi and rotate it clockwise. Use your right thumb and forefinger to shape the side of the sushi, put a hint of salt, and squeeze a dash of lemon juice.
Sumiika でございます。
For squid and uni nigiri, procedure is pretty much the same, except that we put nori seaweed in between shari and squid. And of course, uni! Enjoy the rich creaminess of uni and crispy texture of squid.
イカウニのせでございます。Thank you and ありがとう。
See you in the next video!